In this video, we'll explore the importance of regular announcements for online students and how AI can help streamline this process. Stick with me and I will show you how to use an AI tool and your course materials to create good announcements for your courses weekly. I'll show you how to do it step by step. Get started, I thought I'd show you my setup. I've got my Blackboard on the right side of the screen. I've got my ChatGPT on the left, and on another screen that you can't see, I've got some prompts set up to materials for this course ready to go. So without further ado, let's make some announcements. Let's take a look at all the items that are going to be going into this announcement for this week. This is for Module 1. And I'm going to want to add in my overview. I'm going to want to add in a VoiceThread lecture. I'm going to want to add in some material on Bloom's taxonomy as well as a transcript from a video. And I am going to want to add one more VoiceThread transcript. And finally, I'm going to want to add information about the assignment and the guidelines for that assignment. So these are things that are going to go into this announcement. And let's get started. So now I'm going to give my robot buddy here a little bit more context. In fact, I'm going to tell it, I'm going to give it the context for this process. Go ahead and copy it in. It says, great, we're going to start by sharing course overviews, lecture transcripts, as well as the assignment. I will say start materials when I begin. Don't reply, but say, I understand. Do this until I say end materials. And then I'm asking it, do you understand? Great. Now what this does is make sure that it doesn't start creating the announcement until it knows it has all the information. So I'm going to go ahead and start moving things over. So I'm going to go ahead and give it the overview of the chapter. Next item is from a VoiceThread. But before I do, I actually want to show you how I got this VoiceThread transcript. So I'm in a VoiceThread right now. And I'm going to go ahead and start this video. This will give you access to the transcripts. You just have to click on transcript and all that transcript is there. And then you can copy and paste this into the chatbot. It takes a while. I make these for accessibility for students who might be visually impaired or anybody who just wants this transcript to read while they're watching the video or maybe listening to it. However, I've already taken this transcript. I've got it on my other screen here. So you're going to see me uploading that and inputting that into the ChatGPT. So that was very easy. Let's go ahead and start uploading some other items too. Let's go on to our YouTube video. So we've got some content in this Blackboard section of our module. Take this too. Great. And I do have a video here. I want to show you how to get transcripts for these. I have them very quickly. You do need to actually open it up in YouTube. Two more right here. And if you go down to transcript, this will allow you to go ahead and take that transcript. You are going to have to capture this with your mouse and Control C, Control V. But I already have that over here. So I'm going to go ahead and get my transcript and plug that in for you. Great. Looks like I have one more VoiceThread to go ahead and take care of. So I'm going to go ahead and grab all these and I'm going to move this into my chat buddy so we can keep going. And now I'm going to go ahead and start giving it the assignment. There we go. And I think I'll give it a course map too. Great. Awesome. I'm not sure what it's doing because I didn't ask it to do anything. But I did tell it to go ahead and use all the materials that I've given you to create a weekly announcement. And it gave us this. No student's going to read that. So I need to refine it a little bit more. I asked my robot buddy here to condense into 2 paragraphs, but I want this tone to be warm and friendly. This is an announcement. I need a warm tone. It went ahead and did that, except as I read through this, I did not tell it anything about a discussion, but it seems to think that it needs to provide feedback on a discussion forum that doesn't exist. So I told it there's no discussion this week. Please revise. And it went ahead and revised that. I like this one. Now that I've got an announcement that I like, I'm ready to go ahead and add this to my course. And I know this took a while on the video. However, if you have everything ready to go like I usually do, it's very easy to start making not only one announcement, but announcements for your entire quarter. And of course, you can modify those and revise them before they go out if changes are made to your course. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this speeds up your workflow so you can get to those important things like lesson planning, grading, and creating wonderful courses for our students.